Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your Sari world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I am pleased to showcase a beautiful, exquisite collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. All the saris shown in this video are hand woven, and the zari in them is pure zari. So let's get started with these fabulous Kanjivarams. We begin with a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual shade, and this is a Pai Madi sari. The body of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari is in an almost indescribable shade. It's a mix of purple and mustard. So it has a two-tone effect. It has a dupe charm effect. So you can see two shades coming up when you move the sari. The borders of the sari have Kuilkan motifs and they have Pakshi motifs all done in zari. There is a deep short purple selvage which highlights the beauty of this gorgeous sari. This is a Pai Madi sari or Pai Kattam sari, that is, it is a textured weave and it is a matte design. So the matte design is also called as Chatai design in other parts of India. The pallu of this stunning sari is in a short mustard and it has Seeparekku in zari. The sari comes with a gorgeous mustardish colored blouse with the same borders as the sari. This combination of this beautiful purple and short mustard Pai Kattam on the body is a very hard to come by and unusual shade. You can pair it with some simple gold jewelry and make a statement. Up next, we have a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari which is based on a vintage kind of design, and this one is in a pretty pink, a deep Rani pink with Mudukattam. This is the stunning body of this beautiful sari. It has Mudukattam all over the body, you can see here, and the borders are tissue zari borders. There is a short orangish rust kind of selvage which elevates the beauty of this sari. The pallu of this beautiful sari has zari lines and Seeparekku all done in zari. The sari comes with a striped blouse fabric in the same color as the sari, but you can pair it with a gorgeous bottle green blouse or an orange blouse and create a totally different look. Pair it with jewelry based on the blouse color that you choose. We now have for you a gorgeous green Kanjivaram silk sari, and stunning is the word to describe this beautiful sari. The body of the sari is this beautiful emerald green or deep bottle green kind of shade, and it's got zari motifs of pakshis and kamalam buttas. The borders are beautiful zari motifs. It has manga or paisley motifs. Then there is a band of banaras, that is diagonal lines, and then diamond shaped motifs. The selvages are in the deep green. The pallu of this gorgeous sari has zari bands. It's got Seeparekku and tissue kind of bands. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with an ivory blouse, and a simple pearl necklace will make the sari look absolutely beautiful. Thousand Butta or Ayiram Butta saris find a place of pride in every sari star's wardrobe. We have for you a beautiful beige and short rust Ayiram Butta sari. The body of the sari is in a beautiful beige shade and it has Mail Chakram 1000 buttas in a blackish grey kind of shade. The selvages are in rust and there is a band of zari on either side of the sari. The pallu of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari is in a short rusty shade and it has zari bands. This sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu, that is a short rust, and you can pair it with the same blouse to give it a beautiful and elegant look. Pair it with simple coral jewelry or golden jewelry for a special evening. We have a very special Veldari Korvai sari next for you. The body of this gorgeous sari is in a lovely radiant red and there are Veldari motifs in white running along the length of the body. The borders are woven using Yetukol weaving technique, so you don't see the zari on the reverse side of the border. The pallu of the stunning Kanjivaram silk sari is also woven using Yetukol weaving technique and it is in a beautiful Kanjana or brownish black color with Seeparekku in zari, and this is also done using Yetukol weaving technique. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can either pair it with its own blouse or pair it with an ivory or tissue blouse. Pair it with some chunky corals or pearls and have all heads turned in your direction. A lovely short wine colored Kanjivaram silk sari is what we have now for you. The body is a beautiful short of a wine and turquoise blue kind of shade. You can see the two-tone or dupe charm effect here. It has beautiful circular zari buttas like this all over the body. The borders have chakram and mile buttas in zari, and there is a beautiful deep red selvage which highlights the beauty of this sari. The gorgeous turquoise blue pallu of this beautiful sari has lovely zari motifs of manga, rudraksham, pakshi and diamond motifs all done in zari. The blouse piece of this sari is also absolutely fabulous. It's in a lovely red with small zari buttas and the same border as the sari has. You can pair this blouse with other saris as well, so it is a very versatile blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own red blouse, or you can pair it with a turquoise blouse or a tissue blouse. All these will look very nice with this sari. Pair it with some simple gold jewelry and you are set for a grand day. We begin with a very beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very unusual shade of lavender purple. The body of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari has all over zari checks or kattam. You can see them here. The borders have beautiful quilkand motifs in zari, and there is a row of small pakshi motifs also in zari. This is the beautiful pallu of this gorgeous sari. It has seeper acre in zari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with maybe a deep orange blouse and pair it with some lovely traditional gold jewelry to create a beautiful look. Another unusual shade, this one is in a very pretty pastel green. The body of this very unusual Kanjivaram silk sari has circular floral chakram kind of buttas. This sari doesn't have borders, but it has a narrow stripe of zari and a pinkish selvage. The highlight of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari is the beautiful contrast between the body and the pallu. While the body is in a subtle pastel green, the pallu is in a festive pink and it has gorgeous festive motifs in zari of yali, paisleys and diamonds. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in pink. Match it with a beautiful ruby necklace or any other stone in pink and you're set for a great evening. One of our much loved Kanjivarams is back. Many of you wanted this the last time it was sold out. So we have this very auspicious colored yellow and maroon Kanjivaram silk sari with thread work. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely festive shade of yellow and there are diamond shaped thread work motifs in a maroonish color. This sari doesn't have borders, it has a maroonish selvage. The pallu of this beautiful sari has seeper acre in thread. This sari doesn't have zari, so it is very convenient and comfortable to wear. You can wear it to office and for small occasions as well. The sari comes with an araku pink kind of blouse, but you can pair it with maybe a maroon blouse and pair it with some coral jewelry and that will give an effect of manjal kumkum. A beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual combination of short orangish rust and purple is what we have next for you. The body of this gorgeous sari is in a short orangish rust and there are circular zari buttas all over the body. The borders are in a short purple and there is an orangish selvage. Now what is unique and different about this sari is the placement of the zari on the border. Usually we find the zari along the edges of the border, but here the zari is placed a little inside. So this is called a beatu petu. Beatu is the portion where the corvai is attached to the body. So beatu petu means the zari is placed at that particular location. Now the advantage as I can see from this kind of border is that when you drape this sari and you wear some necklace or neck piece over this, the neck piece as well as the zari border both will be clearly visible. The contrast in this sari is absolutely breathtaking. The pallu is in a beautiful short purple and it has gorgeous zari motifs all done in diamond shape. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu, but you can also pair it with maybe an electric blue blouse or a tissue blouse and pair it with some lovely traditional jewelry and that will create a beautiful and fabulous effect. Another one of our much loved saris, one of our best sellers is back. This is a beautiful ivory colored thread work Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of this stunning and elegant ivory colored Kanjivaram silk sari has small kamalam buttas all in thread all over the body. The borders are rectified motifs like this all done in thread. The pallu is a work of art and it has motifs all done in thread. The motifs are Banaras, Tutripu, Varisapet and diamond motifs, and it is an absolutely breathtaking kind of pallu. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but considering that it's an ivory colored sari and it's a very versatile and beautiful sari, you can pair it with maybe a red blouse and red accessories, or a green blouse and a beautiful green attique, and so on. So depending on the kind of blouse you pair it with, you can pair it with beautiful jewelry. Up next is a very beautiful Kattan Kanjivaram in festive shades of Arakku pink and a short rustish mustard. The body of the sari has all over kattan or grids in shades of Arakku pink, then mustardish, short rustish, etc. The borders are rettapete borders, so there are 2 rows of Rudraksha motifs and there is a beautiful green selvage which highlights the beauty of this lovely border. The pallu of this beautiful sari is in a lovely short mustardish kind of color and it has beautiful zari lines. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color, the short shade as the pallu. You can either pair it with its own blouse or with a blouse in the beautiful short green of the selvages. Accessorize it with some lovely traditional gold jewelry and I assure you the result will be stunning. We begin with a very beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in a very festive and lovely shade of orange. This is the gorgeous, beautiful sari. You can see the body is in a lovely shade of orange and there are Mail Chakram buttas in zari all over the body. The body also has thread stripes running in a vertical manner from top to bottom, that is along the width of the sari. The pallu of this gorgeous sari is stunning and it is in a lovely shade of peacock color, that is a mix of blue and green. It's a doop chaun or dual tone pallu. It has seepareka in zari. The blouse piece of the sari is in blue, the same shade, the same peacock blue as the pallu, and you can pair the sari with some beautiful blue or green toned accessories. Mail Kazhuthu, or the color of the peacock's neck, is one of the most popular and fabulous colors you can find in Kanjivarams. We have one in that color for you now. The body of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari is in a 2-tone peacock color. This is more of peacock blue than green. You can see the beautiful 2-tone or doop chaun effect the sari has. The sari is perfect for those of you who love narrow borders. It has got quilkan motifs on the borders and the selvages are in a short peacock color. There is a band of magenta purple inside that adds to the beauty of this lovely sari. The short peacock colored body has a beautiful pallu in a short purple or Meenakshi color and it has seepareka in zari. This is a beautiful combination, both the body and the border colors and the pallu color. They're all short shades and it gives a beautiful effect to the sari. The sari has a blouse fabric in the same short purple as the pallu. Pair it with some beautiful accessories in simple gold and you're set for a lovely day. Now I have a lovely threadwork Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari and this one is in Lakshadweepam design. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely deep rich maroon and it has Lakshadweepam thread buttas all over the body in a lovely orangish yellow. The borders of the sari or Korvai borders in a shade of yellowish orange and it has beautiful threadwork motifs in pinkish and maroonish colors. The pallu of this beautiful sari has similar motifs as the borders and it also has seepareka in thread. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the borders and the pallu. You can accessorize this with a lovely garnet necklace and that will look absolutely perfect and beautiful. One of our much loved and best-selling Kanjivarams in a very festive shade of short pink orange is what we have for you now. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely doop chaun or 2-tone pink and orange mix. It's a very festive and very lovely shade. It has zari buttas of Mail Chakram all over the body. The borders have Banaras bead. You can see the beautiful short effect that the sari has. The pallu is a grand pallu and it has intricate zari motifs of Mail Chakram, Rudraksh and Banaras motifs. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric but you can pair it with a beautiful deep bottle green blouse and emerald accessories and that will look absolutely gorgeous and festive. We now have a sari for those of you who love saris with no borders. This one is in a lovely grey and it has Ganda Berunja motifs. The body of this gorgeous sari is in a short grey. It's a mix of grey and black and it has beautiful zari motifs of Gandaberunda or the two-headed mythical bird. This bird is said to be an avatar of Lord Vishnu, so we find this bird motif in many Kanjivaram silk sarees. The pallu of the saree is in black and it has gorgeous zari motifs of diamonds, retamail and paisley or manga motifs. The saree comes with a black blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and traditional gold jewelry to create a beautiful look. The first saree of the day is a lovely Kanjivaram silk saree, and this one has podi kattam, that is very tiny checks all over the body. The body of this beautiful saree looks like an orangish rust, but it has very small tiny kattam, that is podi kattam, and this is in a combination of rust and maroon. The saree doesn't have borders, but it has a narrow stripe of zari along the selvages. The selvages are in a lovely short green. The saree comes with a lovely gorgeous pallu in green and it has seepareka in zari. The blouse fabric of the saree is in the same green as the pallu. You can accessorize the saree with some lovely emerald jewelry and pair it with its own blouse, and that will look absolutely fabulous. Up next, we have a lovely Kanjivaram in a beautiful and eternally loved combination of blue and pink. The body of this beautiful saree is in a deep navy blue and it has zari motifs. The motifs are very unique and they look like dice board or what we call as pasapalli all over. So these are done in zari. The borders are in a beautiful short pink and there is a lovely green selvage along the border. Now the border has 2 rows of zari, so it is a reticulated zari border. The gorgeous pallu of this beautiful saree has elaborate zari weaving on it and it has gorgeous zari motifs of pakshis, manga, rudraksham and banaras motifs. The saree comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair it with its own blouse or in a blouse with green, and you can pair it with some beautiful gold jewelry. A lovely saree for threadwork saree lovers, and this one has smart checks all over the body. The body of the saree is a beautiful peachish shade. It's a very pretty and pastel shade and it's got threadwork buttas all over the body. The borders are in a combination of pink and green and it has pakshi motifs in thread. The pallu of the saree is also done completely in thread and it has pakshi and diamond kind of motifs. The saree comes with a pink blouse fabric with the same borders as the saree has. You can accessorize it with some beautiful beaded jewelry to create a stunning effect. Another saree for lovers of threadwork Kanjivarams. This one is a Korvai threadwork Kanjivaram silk saree. The body of this Kanjivaram saree is in a lovely and beautiful ripe mango color and the borders are retapate borders and it has beautiful rudraksha motifs on a purplish base. The pallu of this stunner of a saree is in the same purple as the borders and it has similar motifs as the borders. The saree comes with a blouse fabric in purple. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some gold jewelry to create a beautiful look. If the Kanjivaram is the queen of silks, the Vairavasi is the queen of Kanjivarams. We have one of our most loved and most popular Vairavasi Kanjivarams restock. This one is an absolutely beautiful shade of sea blue. The body of this pastel blue Vairavasi saree has circular zari buttas. The borders have beautiful zari motifs, they are banki motifs, and there is a lovely light green selvage which highlights the beauty of this lovely saree. Vairam in Tamil is diamond and Usi is needle. So Vaira Usi is diamond needles and it's called so because there are zari stripes running along the length of the saree. You will see the effect of these zari stripes when you move in the saree or you wear it and step out in the light, etc. So the zari is there all over the body, the zari lines. And there are also small zari buttas which are there on the body. The pallu of the saree is a work of art and it has elaborate and detailed zari motifs of pakshis, chariots, bankis, etc. This saree has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a tissue blouse or a blouse in this beautiful green selvage or any other contrast blouse and accessorize it with lovely gold jewelry. For any festivities or special occasions, a Kanjivaram is something that most of us reach out for. And that too in a Kanjivaram, pink is one of the colors that many of us love to drape for special occasions. We have a lovely Kanjivaram silk saree in a very festive pink. The body of this beautiful sari has vertical stripes in zari and there are floral motifs in between these zari stripes. The borders are Banaras borders. The pallu of the sari is breathtaking and it has beautiful diamond and floral motifs. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful green blouse and some green jade jewelry or emerald jewelry, and those will make you look like a queen. We begin with a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in a color that most of us love, that is a beautiful shade of short pink. The body of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari is in this lovely shade of short pink and it has very playful and beautiful cute deer or man motifs along the borders. This is a very lovely and pretty color and the cute deer motifs enhance the beauty of this lovely sari. The sari doesn't have separate borders but there is a zari stripe along the edges. The sari has seepareku in zari on the pallu and it comes with a running blouse fabric. But you can pair it with a beautiful contrast blouse in say a gorgeous deep green and pair it with some emerald or jade jewelry and that will highlight the beauty of this sari. Blue is another color that many of us love. We have a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely shade of blue. The body of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely shade of deep blue and it has small zari buttas like this on the body. The borders have two narrow stripes of zari. So it is a retapate zari border. The pallu of this stunner of a sari has beautiful kili motifs. This is a Kalakshetra inspired design and these motifs in zari enhance the beauty of this gorgeous sari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric in the same blue as the body, but you can pair it with an ivory blouse or a tissue blouse and pair it with some simple gold jewelry to highlight the beauty of the sari. Kattams or checks are an iconic design found in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a beautiful Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari for you coming up next. This is the body of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari. It has all over Kattam or checks in shades of pink and yellow. So you have some checks with a mustardish shade, some with a slightly pinkish shade and so on. This sari doesn't have borders but there is a narrow zari stripe with a short green selvage which enhances the beauty of this sari. The gorgeous checked body of this sari is given a beautiful contrast with this gorgeous green pallu which has seepareku in zari. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in green. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize with some green or golden colored jewelry and create a mesmerizing effect. We have for you now another beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari also with kattam. This one has zari kattam. The stunning Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely shade of short purple and it has all over zari grids, all over zari kattams like this. The borders have zari and they have Mayilkand motifs. This sari is a classic example of what we call as self borders. The beautiful pallu has seepareku in zari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric that is in the same purple as the body. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a golden colored blouse. Accessorize it with some beautiful golden jewelry and all eyes are sure to be on you. We now have a Kanjivaram silk sari for those of you who love no zari saris. The body of this beautiful sari is in black and it has stripes running along the length of the sari. The borders are Ganga Jamuna borders. The upper side border is a short mustardish green color and the lower border is in maroon. This is a classic, simple and elegant sari and this design is inspired by the Chettinad Kandangi saris. This is a sari that is so versatile that you can wear it to work or for small occasions because there is no zari in this sari. The pallu of this beautiful sari has seepareku in zari and the sari comes with a running blouse fabric that is similar to the body of the sari, but you can pair it with a maroon blouse or a blouse in the other border color, accessorize it with some beaded chunky jewelry and you're set for a great look. A very festive and exclusive and very beautiful different kind of Kanjivaram silk sari. This is a mix of threadwork and zari. This beautiful sari is in shades of orangish rust and maroon and there are all over kattams or grids on the body. Some of these grids have threadwork and some of these have zari motifs of paisley and flower. So it's a beautiful combination where threadwork and gold zari comes together in a lovely way. The pallu of the sari is absolutely grand and it has beautiful motifs of Annam Chakram and Paisley motifs all done in sari. The sari comes with a maroon blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some beautiful garnet jewelry, and that will create a beautiful look. Red is one of the most auspicious colors and we have a beautiful Kattam Kanjivaram in this fabulous color. The body of this beautiful red Kanjivaram silk saree has all over Kattam in zari and the borders are Rettapeta zari borders which has Rudraksha motifs. It's a very pretty, very traditional and very classic saree. The pallu of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk saree has Seepareka in zari. The saree comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a contrast blouse in ivory or green or mustard color, and those will elevate the beauty of the saree. Pair it with traditional gold jewelry to create a beautiful look. Up next, we have a beautiful Kanjivaram silk saree in a lovely shade of green. This is a very beautiful shade of green and I absolutely love this pretty color. The body of the sari has zari Annam Chakram motifs all over and the sari doesn't have borders but it has a pink selvage and a narrow stripe of zari. The pallu of this gorgeous sari is a showstopper and it has the beautiful kili motifs which are inspired by the Kalakshetra design. The pallu also features Rettayana and Rettamail, that is twin elephants and twin peacocks. This is a very beautiful sari and it comes with a pink blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely ruby jewelry. For lovers of pastel shades and lovers of threadwork kanchivarams, we have a very beautiful sari coming up next week. This is a very lovely and elegant sari and the body of the sari has these stripe kind of motifs running along the width of the sari from top to bottom. The borders are beautiful Pakshi motifs done in black thread. There is a lovely yellow selvage which highlights the beauty of these border motifs. The pallu of this lovely sari has similar motifs as the borders have. The blouse piece of this sari is in the same color as the body and it has beautiful Pakshi motifs done in thread. You can pair the sari with its own blouse or with a blouse in the selvage color or in black color and accessorize it with some beautiful beaded jewelry. A lovely revival Korvai Kattam sari is what we have now for you. This sari is revived from a design from the 70s and 80s and it has all over kattams in shades of maroonish red and beige or cream color. The borders are Korvai borders. They are attached to the body using the Korvai technique of interlocking and it is a Rettapeta zari border. You have two rows of zari, two stripes of zari along the black borders. The pallu of this beautiful sari has zari lights and the blouse fabric is in the same black as the pallu and the borders. You can pair the sari with its own blouse and that will give a beautiful and ethnic look. You can pair this with some traditional gold jewelry and that will look very nice, especially as the border is so designed that when you wear the jewelry it will be clearly seen. I am very excited to showcase this beautiful sari which has very unique and unusual motifs. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram in a combination of black and maroonish red. The body of the sari is in a stunning black color and the borders are very unique motifs done in golden and silver colored sari. And these motifs are pomegranate motifs, leaf motifs, duck motifs and lotus flower motifs. These are a set of very unusual kind of motifs in Kanjivaram silk saris. This sari again is a revival sari. It's been made based on a design from the 70s and 80s. The pallu motifs are also very unique and it's called Swarga Vasal, which translates to gateway to heaven. So we see these beautiful flying birds on the pallu. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely silver or gold jewelry. Another sari for threadwork lovers. This one is in a lovely shade of mustard with all over katam or checks. The body of the sari has all over grids and there are beautiful threadwork motifs all over the body. The borders are in a combination of green and pink and it has beautiful Pakshi motifs done in thread. The pallu of this beautiful sari is woven with similar motifs as the borders and it is a very beautiful and intricately done pallu. The sari comes with a fabulous short colored blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely beads. Since this is a threadwork sari and the colors are very subdued and very elegant, you can wear it to work. You can wear it for some small events and occasions too. Vanasingaram is an iconic design in Kanjivaram silk saris and one that every sari lover wishes to own. We have a beautiful Vanasingaram sari for you in a beautiful color of purplish indigo. Vanasingaram translates the beauty of the forest and it's called so because it depicts the beautiful animals of the jungle. This is the equivalent of the Shikargar design in Banarsi saris. The body of the sari is done in thread and the motifs we find are of animals like deer, peacocks, elephant, tiger, horses, etc. The borders are done in zari and they have beautiful darbar motifs. The pallu of this beautiful sari is grand and it has got bananas motifs done in zari. This sari comes with a beautiful purplish blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely traditional jewelry. The man or deer motif is a very lovely motif and we have beautiful playful man on this lovely Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely short plum color and there are multicolored man or deer motifs. We find motifs in green, yellow, blue, silvery color, mustardish color, etc. This sari doesn't have bottoms. The pallu of this gorgeous sari is very unique. It's in a lovely shade of blue and the motifs are also very unique and very different. They are creeper motifs and they are done in silver colored sari. The sari comes with a blue blouse fabric but because the deer motifs are in multicolor, you can choose to pair it with a blouse in any other color. You can accessorize it with some lovely silver jewelry and that will make you look like a queen. We begin with a gorgeous Mubbagam sari. Mubbagam means 3 parts and the sari is called so because the width of the sari is divided into 3 distinct portions. This is a Mubbagam sari in very traditional colors. You can see the upper part in a rust orange kind of shade. The middle portion is in Arakku or maroon and the lower portion is in Mandulir or short green. Now the upper and lower portions of the sari have this beautiful Malatuli or raindrop motifs all over done in zari. The middle portion has paisleys and Rudraksham motifs done in zari on this maroon base. So it's a very traditional, very beautiful combination, perfect for this festive season. The grand pallu of this beautiful sari is in a lovely deep red and it has manga and peacock motifs all done in sari. So this is a grand sari perfect for special occasions during this festive period. The sari comes with a blouse fabric like this in the same colors as the body of the sari with the same Marathuli motifs in the upper and lower portions. But you can pair it either with this blouse or with a blouse in green or maroon or orange. Any of these festive colors will look perfectly beautiful with this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari. Accessorize it with some traditional gold jewelry and you're all set for this festive season. Kattans or checks are an important design that we find in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari for you in lovely shades and with all over checks. The body of this beautiful sari is very festive and it has all over kattan or grids in a combination of shades of pinkish arakku, that is a pinkish maroon, and rustish orange kind of shades. The borders are in a beautiful pinkish arakku and if you see, the body has these beautiful sari grids. This festive sari has an equally festive pallu in a lovely pinkish maroon shade and it has seeparekar done in zari. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in this pinkish maroon arakku kind of shade, but you can pair it with a blouse in similar shades but in a lighter color palette, and you can accessorize it with some coral jewelry to give it a lovely look. Pink is a very pretty and very festive color, and when it has some lovely zari on it, then the effect is very, very mesmerizing. We have a lovely pink Kanjivaram silk sari next for you. The body of the stunning sari has small zari buttas and the body is in a lovely shade, two-tone shade or dudcham shade of pink. So you can see the dudcham effect like this, and the borders have beautiful wonky motifs done in zari. The grand pallu of this beautiful sari has intricate zari motifs of Mail Chakram, Pakshis and Vankis. Now this is a very, very stunning sari and actually I'm finding it hard to get the right words to describe the effect and the beauty of this gorgeous sari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a contrast blouse like ivory, bottle green, orange, and you can accessorize it with lovely diamond jewelry. A lovely Kanjivaram silk sari in another festive color, that is orange. This one has beautiful Annam Chakram motifs all over the body in zari. This is a color which spells happiness and positivity, and you can see beautiful zari motifs all over the body. The borders have lovely Banaras motifs done in zari, and there are also cute elephants along the borders also done in zari. There is a row of temple borders on the other side of the body. The pallu is a grand pallu and lot of detailing has gone into the pallu. You can see beautiful zari motifs of Vanki and Mail Chakram done in zari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can take a cue from Neeta Ambani's style and pair it with a beautiful Rani pink blouse. You can accessorize this with some lovely emerald or ruby jewelry and look like a queen. The Queen of Kanjivaram, the Vairavoosi in a stunning royal blue is what we have for you now. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely shade of royal blue and there are zari butchas and Vairavoosi lines running all over the sari, running all over the length of the sari. The borders of this beautiful sari have lovely funky motifs done in zari and there is a green selvage which highlights the beauty of this gorgeous body. The elaborate grand pallu of this beautiful sari has Mail Chakram in zari along with some Vanki motifs also done in zari. Royal blue is one of my favorite colors and I have a very similar sari from my own wedding trousseau which is very dear to me and it looks absolutely fabulous when you drape it. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful gold tissue blouse and accessorize it with some lovely gold jewelry, and that will create a regal and stunning look. Up next, we have a lovely simple Kanjivaram silk in black, and this is perfect for office wear. The body of the sari is black and there is a zari stripe at the edge. The pallu of this beautiful sari has seepareke in zari. It has a running blouse fabric in black, but given that it is completely black, you can pair it with many contrast blouses and create a different look each time. You can accessorize it based on the kind of blouse you choose, and you can create different looks every time you drape this versatile kanji. Palum Padamum is an iconic design in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a lovely traditional no zari Korvai Kanjivaram Palum Padamum sari now for you. The body of this beautiful Palum Padamum sari has katam or checks in colors of maroon, black, mustardish and shades in between these. The borders are Korvai borders. You can see the temples alongside the Korvai, and the borders are in yellow color. The pallu of the sari is in yellow and it is a no zari Kanjivaram silk sari. It has a yellow blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a blouse in black or maroon also. Even a bottle green blouse will look nice with it. You can pair it with traditional gold jewelry to create a beautiful festive look. A Kanjivaram silk sari with podi kattam, that is very tiny checks in beautiful colors of maroon and rust orange, is the next one for you. The body of this festive sari has small kattam in orangish rust and maroon, and there are beautiful small zari buttas all over the body. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a zari stripe at the edge of the sari. The gorgeous green pallu of the sari has beautiful zari motifs of pakshis, mile and diamond motifs all done in zari. The sari comes with a green blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely emerald jewelry. We now have for you another Palum Padamum Kattam sari, this one with smaller checks. This is my favorite sari from today's collection. The body of the sari has checks or small kattams in a color combination of black, pink and shades of mustard. The borders are Korvai borders and they are in pink and they have beautiful paisley motifs done in zari. The pallu of the sari is a work of art and it's done using adai weaving, and we can see beautiful motifs of yana, that is elephant, kudara, that is horses. Then we see beautiful Mailkand motifs, and there are also beautiful Arai Madam motifs on this pallu. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a deep pink and it has the same borders as the sari. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a blouse in any of the colors from the body colors, and that will look absolutely beautiful. Accessorize this with some lovely diamond jewelry and all eyes are sure to be on you. We begin with the most auspicious color combination of Manjal Kumkumam, that is in a beautiful red and mustard yellow. This is a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The body is in a beautiful chili red kind of color and there are circular zari buttas all over the body. The borders are in a lovely auspicious mustard red and it has 2 rows of zari. It's a rettapete zari border and it's a Korvai Kanjivaram. You can see the joining where the body and the borders are being joined using the Korvai technique. The gorgeous mustard yellow pallu of this beautiful sari has intricate zari weaving, and we have motifs of elephants, that is yana, then we have flying horse, that is Pegasus, and beautiful pakshi motifs all done in zari. Kanjivaram silk saree is revived from a design from the 80s and 90s. It has a mustard yellow blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely traditional jewelry like an antique to create a beautiful festive look. Another beautiful revival design, this one is also a Korvai and it's in a lovely combination of a beautiful deep running pink and navy. The body of this beautiful sari has all over meenakari work in zari and navy blue. You can see the meenakari zari buttas in diamond shape all over the body. And the borders are Korvai borders. The body and the borders are interlocked using the Korvai technique and it's a red-painted zari border. The pallu in blue is a work of art and it has beautiful motifs in zari of yarli, retamayil that is twin peacocks, Banaras motifs that are diagonal stripes and floral motifs. The saree comes with a blouse fabric in blue. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. The next saree is a beautiful rust orange Kanjivaram silk saree with all over checks or kattan. The body of this beautiful saree is in a lovely shade of rust orange and there are all over cuttons or checks in green. The borders are red borders with Rudraksha motifs done in zari. There is a beautiful short green selvage which highlights the beauty of this lovely saree. The pallu of this gorgeous saree has sepa reku done in zari. The saree comes with a running blouse fabric like this in the same rust orange color. You can either pair it with its own blouse or with a green blouse and accessorize it with some lovely embroidered or jade jewelry. The Kanjivaram I am going to show you now is a very pretty and very festive Kanjivaram silk saree with all over tiny checks. This is one of my favorite sarees from today's collection because it's so simple yet so beautiful and you can easily wear it to work or for small occasions. The body of the saree has all over podi kattam that is very tiny checks in a combination of deep running pink and a very pastel mint green. So from afar it looks like off-white and pink. The saree doesn't have borders but it has a tissue selvage here in saree like this. The pallu of this lovely saree is in a very deep rani pink and it has sepa reku done in zari. The saree comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some ruby jewelry or some beaded jewelry to create a lovely look. A pretty saree in peachish color and this one is for threadwork saree lovers. This saree is in a delicious tutti frutti kind of color. It's a very pretty, very beautiful peachish color and it has all over cuttons with threadwork buttas all over the body. The borders are in a combination of pink and green and they have beautiful threadwork motifs. The pallu of this beautiful saree has lovely threadwork in a combination of green and purple. The saree comes with a pink blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or in a blouse in green or purple or any of the colors from the border, and you can accessorize it with some lovely beaded jewelry. A very versatile and very simple and elegant Kanjivaram. This one is perfect for Onam, which is coming up soon. And this one is in an off-white color with simple zari stripes at the edges of the sari. The color of the sari is in a beautiful ivory or tussar kind of shade, and there is a silver colored zari stripe along the edges. The pallu of this elegant sari has beautiful silver colored zari stripes with small motifs on them. This is a very classy and very beautiful sari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but given that it's in an ivory color, it's so versatile that you can pair it with different colored blouses and accessorize it accordingly. For example, I would pair it with a deep magenta blouse and maybe accessorize it with some beaded jewelry. You could also pair it with maybe a bottle green blouse or a deep red blouse and pair it with some lovely jade jewelry or some ruby jewelry or any other coral or garnet kind of jewelry. Up next, we have a very unique and very lovely sari. This one is woven with designs inspired by Bandhani designs of Kutch. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely shade of beige, and it has all over designs which resemble the Bandhani designs done in Kutch. But unlike Bandhani, which is a tie and dye thing, these are actually woven onto the sari, and this is a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. So the borders are attached to the body using the Korvai technique. The pallu in a beautiful purple magenta has zari motifs, and there are gorgeous adai motifs of maan, that is deer, mayil, that is peacock, kudara, that is horse, and yana, that is elephant. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely diamond jewelry, and you're sure to look like a queen. Black is a bold and beautiful color, and when styled well, it is sure to make heads turn. We have a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in this lovely shade of black. The body of this beautiful sari has circular coin butchas done in zari all over the body, and the borders are in a mustardish color with zari. The pallu of this beautiful sari is in a lovely mustardish color, and it has zari motifs of fish, banaras, that is diagonal lines, and Mail Chakram motifs. The sari comes with a mustardish blouse fabric, but I would suggest that you pair it with a beautiful golden tissue colored blouse to create a two-tone effect of black and gold. Pair it with some beautiful gold jewelry or diamond jewelry and create a spectacular effect. The most auspicious colors that we choose during festivals and special occasions are yellows, pinks, reds, and greens. So we have a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram here for you in the most auspicious combination of Manjal Kumkum, that is a yellow and Arakku. The body of this beautiful yellow sari has rhombus shaped buttas done in zari, and the borders are done using adai weaving, and there are beautiful motifs of tambalam. Tambalam is a tray or a plate on which special things like fruits or flowers or offerings etc. are given during festive occasions. So there are tambalam motifs on the borders, and there is also a row of pakshi motifs in zari. There is a beautiful green selvage which elevates the beauty of this gorgeous border. The pallu of this beautiful sari is majestic and grand, and it has lovely motifs of elephants, that is yana, and then there are peacocks or mayil, and then there are lovely floral buttas all done in zari. The sari has a contrast blouse fabric in maroon arakku with the same borders as the sari. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with lovely traditional jewelry for a festive look. Yellow is considered a symbol of happiness. It's a color of positivity, joy, and draping the sari is sure to make you feel festive and extremely happy. So we are very pleased at Kalpavastram to share this special pic with you today. A beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in a very festive color, that is pink, is what we have now for you. Pink is a very classic, beautiful and elegant color, and we have this lovely Kanjivaram silk sari for you in this beautiful color. The body of the sari has lovely paisley motifs done in zari all over, and the border has a narrow stripe of zari like this, which is a few inches away from the edge. The pallu motif is also very unique and very different. It has diagonal stripes of zari, and in between these we find leaf kind of motifs all done in zari. I love saris like this where the zari is placed a little bit away from the edge because it gives the perfect opportunity and the perfect position to flaunt the beautiful necklace or other jewelry that you wear around your neck. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric in pink, but you can pair it with a beautiful ivory blouse or with an orange blouse, and those will look absolutely majestic with this beautiful sari. You can accessorize this beautiful sari with some lovely emerald jewelry or gold jewelry. For lovers of simple threadwork saris, we have a beautiful pastel green Kanjivaram silk sari with no zari, completely threadwork. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely pastel green, and there are diamond-shaped pink threadwork buttas all over the body. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a beautiful pink selvage at either end. The pallu of this beautiful sari has threadwork in pink. The sari comes with a lovely pink blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with ruby jewelry. A very festive threadwork Kanjivaram. This one is my favorite because it has two beautiful colors, orange and pink. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely shade of pink-orange mixed, and the borders are beautiful threadwork motifs of pakshis. There is a beautiful pink selvage which highlights the beauty of this lovely threadwork border. The pallu of this beautiful sari is a rich mix of beautiful colors like pink, orange and green, and it has similar pakshi motifs as the borders. The sari has a pink blouse fabric with beautiful threadwork motifs of pakshis on it. This is a very versatile Kanjivaram silk sari, and as it has no zari, it's perfect for office wear and small occasions. You can pair it with beautiful beaded jewelry to give it a very lovely and sophisticated look. Up next, we have a beautiful Kanjivaram in a very vibrant shade of purple. The body of this beautiful Kanjivaram is in a lovely purple, and there are all over mustard or rustish kind of checks all over the body. The sari doesn't have borders, but it has the same rustish selvages which elevate the beauty of this classic sari. The pallu of this beautiful sari is in the same brownish rust color as the selvages are, and the sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely pearl jewelry or gold jewelry, and those will elevate the beauty of this lovely sari. If you're a Rekha fan, then this sari is for you. This has a beautiful, gorgeous, long pallu and it has got zari on it. And this is one of our most popular saris and now it's restocked. The body of this lovely Kanjivaram is in a very, very deep maroon kind of color and the borders have Banaras borders in zari. This sari has a long pallu and it has beautiful zari motifs of diamonds, pakshis and Banaras motifs. And this is a kind of sari which you see Rekha wearing at different award functions. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse. Accessorize it with lovely gold jewelry or diamond jewelry and make a style statement. Another beautiful, unique and exclusive sari is this lovely Kanjivaram with pulli buttas or dot buttas. The body of this beautiful sari has all over buttas like dots in colors of green and red. The border is very unique and it has got a lot of detailing. There is a row of pakshis here, then there is a row of small diamonds here, and then there is a row of leaf-like motifs here, making it look very unique and very beautiful. The pallu is very intricate and it's a work of art and it has beautiful motifs of monkey, yana that is elephant and pakshi motifs all done in zari. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in a short mustardish color. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. This is a very festive sari and it is perfect for special occasions and events. For lovers of the beautiful color black, we have a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari with bold kattam in zari. The body of this beautiful sari has zari kattams all over and the borders have lovely Mailkan motifs in zari. There is a lovely pinkish selvage which highlights the beauty of this gorgeous sari. The pallu of this beautiful sari has seepa done in zari. The sari comes with a black blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a deep pink blouse like the selvage and that will create a totally stunning look. Accessorize it with some ruby jewelry or gold jewelry and you are set for a festive day. Namaskaram, I am Lakshmi. With the Varamahalakshmi festival and other festivals just around the corner, today at Kalpavasram, I am delighted to showcase 10 yards Madisar Kanjivaram silk saris. These saris are woven with pure zari and they are hand woven. They represent our rich cultural tradition. Now these saris are hard to come by and we have only a couple of pieces of each of these. The color combinations are vintage color combinations and I am sure you love these saris. So let's get started with these beautiful traditional 10 yards Madisar saris. We begin with a very beautiful Kanjivaram 10 yards Madisar sari. This one is in a lovely shade of Mail Kazhuthu. Mail Kazhuthu means the color of the peacock's neck and it's a rich combination of blue and green. The body of this beautiful Mail Kazhuthu Madisar sari is in a lovely peacock color and it has motifs of Mail Chakram, that is peacock and chakram motifs done in zari all over the body. Now the borders are very delightful and it has beautiful paisley motifs and Arai Madam motifs. Now, Araimadam motif is very significant, and usually the brides choose this motif for their wedding saris because the Araimadam, which shows two triangles, one with zari and one with the base color of thread, signifies equality of the spouses in the marriage. So this is a common motif that you will find in wedding saris. So this motif of Araimadam and this beautiful row of paisleys, the beauty of these motifs is enhanced by this lovely short peacock green selvage along the borders. The pallu of this beautiful sari is in a lovely short purplish magenta kind of shade, and the motifs are similar to that on the borders, that is paisley motifs and Araimadam motifs done in zari. Araimadam motifs are considered important as they signify a healthy relationship, a healthy marriage. In the earlier days, the Madusar saris did not come with blouse fabric, but now I'm happy to say that this sari comes with a blouse fabric. It has a beautiful short purple magenta kind of blouse fabric with the same Araimadam and paisley motifs on the borders. This sari is perfect for festivals and auspicious occasions, and because of the beautiful Araimadam motifs and the lovely color, I think it's perfect for the bride. You can pair this sari with its own blouse, or you can pair it with a golden tissue blouse. Accessorize it with a lovely attige or a gold necklace, and you will create a beautiful traditional look. The next sari we have for you is a beautiful, gorgeous Madusar sari, and this one is in that vintage arakku that is hard to come by these days. This is a grand Vairavusi Madusar Kanjivaram. You can see the lines of zari that run along the length of the sari. The sari is called Vairavusi. Vairam means diamond and Usi is a needle. So Vairavusi translates to diamond needles. It's called so because the zari lines running along the length of the sari create a shimmering effect as if lots of needles have been spread out across the sari. The sari has a beautiful border with lovely floral motifs. This is the grand pallu of this beautiful sari, and the motifs on the pallu are similar to what you find on the borders. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse to create the perfect traditional look. Arakku is the color that brides prefer for their wedding because the color arakku is considered very, very auspicious. So this sari is perfect for the bride, or it's also perfect for special occasions, auspicious events, etc. This is a very traditional Kanjivaram silk sari, a Madusar sari, 10-yard sari, and it's a Vairavusi sari. So pair it with traditional jewelry like a gold necklace or a diamond necklace and get set for a beautiful traditional look. The Madusar saris showcased in today's video are perfect bridal options, and they are sure to make you look divine and traditionally beautiful. You can grab one of these saris from our website and become a Kalpavastram bride. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.